as far as aliens, I can't get my mind around how far apart everything is. So if UFOs are real, and I'm pretty sure they are, it might have something to do with interdimensional travel, which sounds kind of woo-woo, but it's definitely scientifically grounded, like traveling in extra dimensions to cross distances quickly. You can do that scientifically. CERN was researching that up until recently, looking for clues of Klein particles, which allows you to slip into extra dimensions, which compresses space geometrically. And the further deeper you go, it's called the bulk. You go further deeper into the bulk you go, it more compresses, and you can just go anywhere really fast. So when we see these orbs or crafts kind of just jumping like it skips a frame, that would be consistent with extra dimensional travel, or just popping out and disappearing. That would be consistent with it. Is that aliens? I guess it could be, or humans from the future, or some type of sentient AI. I don't know. But aliens just zipping across the galaxy here, I can't get I don't think that.
Right.
Speed of light is just kind of a thing.
Speed of light is a thing. So you mean that there's bounds to this universe? So interdimensional travel will be outside of those bounds?
No, in extra dimensional, that's scientifically grounded. Like the math works, but the speed of light is still a hard limit. So you would assume that if it's a hard limit for us, it's probably a hard limit for everyone. The laws of physics in our reality are just going to be the same everywhere. So if you're 10,000 light years away, you're still 10,000 years away traveling at the speed of light to get here, which you really can't do. You really can't get up the speed of light because of the mass and the gravity and all that. So you have to find a different way. So is that a wormhole, like an Einstein-Rosen bridge? Could be, but that's a lot of energy. So maybe they harness a small black hole, a singularity. Scientifically could be true. Jump into another dimension, scientifically could work. Requires a lot of energy and expertise that we don't have yet, but we do know it could happen. And the extra dimensions would explain things like the hierarchy problem with gravity. Why is gravity such a weak force when the other forces are so much stronger? Like gravity doesn't make sense. Scientists don't know how it works. They're looking for gravitons. They can't find them. So maybe someone found them. Maybe some species figured out the gravity problem. And the extra dimensions would solve that because if gravity originates in the other dimensions, and this is part of a paper, I think, from 2010. Then if gravity starts there, it's so weak because it just leaks down to us, where electromagnetism comes from here, so it might be weaker up there. I point up like it's up there. I don't know. It's around us.
Electromagnetism comes from here.
Is strong here. That's a strong force. But gravity is really weak compared to it.